red ants. Ants are spreading because the rains get them to move. Just be aware or watch that. This is a great organic for red ants. Those great big ant hills. Again, completely safe for birds, your pets, that kind of stuff. 100% organic, but you sprinkle it around those hills. They'll pick it up, take it right down. I mean, those hills are 2-3 feet down, so they're very difficult to kill off. And if you don't get the queen, they'll come right back at you. This will pick up and feed it right to the queen. Once you got her, it's all over for the entire hill. So that's one thing to watch. Does not work on the smaller ants. I've got other stuff, but the red ants, they tend to divide right now, and so I thought I'd bring this to you. And then this is almost cheating, so I'll just kind of share it with you. Some of my plants are yellowing, so they've gotten too much rain, not enough moisture. So my squash, I can't have yellow plants and have plant nerds over it. That's just not tolerable. So I had to green them up. I got 1 week to get ready. What I did is I took some chelated iron. Chelated, whenever you see the word chelated, it means instantaneously available. Most iron actually breaks down extremely slowly. So ironites and some of those products, you're putting that iron down now for next year. It does not work right now. It's totally, in fact, they stopped selling the product because it just, they promised too much for what the product was. But chelated means available right now. So I sprayed this morning, mixed it up in a pump-up sprayer. The one that I use for my bug sprays. So I shot this through the same thing, and I just went through and I sprayed the foliage. You could almost see them green up. It's almost like painting the plants green. It's amazing how fast they respond. It's not a long-term fix, but it will quickly get the plants green, and they'll be lush green by next Thursday. Lush. That's all I care about for now. This is the longer-term fix. This is granular iron. This actually has some fast released iron in it. That's fast-acting iron. It's the best one I've been able to find that's granular that you can sprinkle on the ground. But it takes time to break down, to have the plants take it up through the roots and kind of green it up. So this is not the fast fix, this is the long-term fix. So those are kind of some insider tips on iron. I'm personally using the chelated, and I already fertilized right before the rains came with the all-purpose food and some phosphate. I kind of did the magic, so everything is in lush bloom. But a few things were a little off, so this will be the ticket, and it'll make the margarita machine look better. The steaks will come off the grill better, and birds will start singing, and the music will play sweeter. That's the insider tips on gardening.